Newly elected members of the Azad Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly took oath of office on Monday in Muzaffarabad. The oath was administered by outgoing Speaker Chaudhry Lateef Akbar, who failed to retain his seat in the elections. Assembly Secretary Amjad Lateef Abbasi read out notifications for the 38 members elected from territorial and refugee constituencies, along with 8 members elected on reserve seat. After the results were announced, all newly elected members took the oath and then signed the oath register according to their constituencies. The PMLN secured 5 of the 7 reserve seats that were contested on Monday, while the PPP won 2. Under the AJK constitution, the Legislative Assembly has 53 members. 45 are elected directly, while 8 are chosen by the directly elected representatives. The reserve seats include 5 for women and 1 each for ulama and mashayikh, state subjects residing abroad, and technocrats and other professionals. PMLN's Chaudhry Abdul Rahman Areen was elected unopposed to the seat reserved for state of subjects residing abroad. For the women's reserve seats, PMLN candidates Serish Kamar, Mariam Idris, and Mariam Zaman, also known as Maryam Kashmiri, each secured 7 votes. PPP's Farzana Yaqub also won a women's reserve seat with 7 votes. The final women's seat was contested by PMLN's Rafat Abid and PPP's Zobia Khurshid Raja after their votes were tied at 5. Raja was eventually declared the winner through a draw of lots. For the seat reserved for ulama and mashayikh, PMLN's Mohammad Mazhar Said received 26 votes against PPP's Hafiz Tariq Mahmood, who received 12. PMLN's barrister Syed Iftikhar Gilani also secured 26 votes to win the seat reserved for technocrats and professionals, defeating PPP's Sahibzada Zulfikar Ali, who received 14 votes. The Election Commission notified the successful candidates shortly after their election. 7 of the 45 directly elected seats could not be contested because of the law and order situation in Poonch and Sudnauti district. As a result, the 38 members elected so far participated in the reserved seat elections. The AJK elections were originally scheduled for July 27th but were held in phases over security concerns. The first phase took place on July 27th, the second on August 2nd, and the third on August 10th. In the direct elections held so far, the PMLN has won 25 of the 38 seats, while the PPP secured 12. An elected member from the Awami Dasto Bazu party has also joined the PMLN. The PPP has alleged widespread rigging in the elections and has criticized the PMLN over the election process. PPP chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari has said that a genuine alliance with the PMLN was not possible unless the party's concerns about the AJK elections were addressed and political commitments were fulfilled.